Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy uKatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kafela Moteba aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome bafethu ku Kasile Vukile at Katlego Mula Network. Ngiyaphinda bafethu, iKasile Vukile at Katlego Mula Network. Currently we are at Food Bar bafethu, where they sell proper food, not just any food that you think ukuthi amakwata kuphela na. Sinomhoro, inyama enhloko, soft drinks, like it's food bar dog, like you can tell by the name bar. Ifana nasebar, ebar expect kube nani bonke ngisho. So now we have everything. And again bafethu, please support my business. I've managed to open a construction company, guys. So we install ama blinds, we do house deco, sifaka ama tiles, siyapetcha phezulu. Basically yonke into edinga nendlu siyayenza. So it's a construction company. Mawufuna ukakha indlu uyangifonela, mawufuna ukufaka ama blinds uyangifonela, mawufuna ukuyenza noma yini uyangifonela. Before mkhozi wami ngi-introduce, ngifuna ukutshela esinye istyle maybe nami ngawafuna. Kunama blind enginawo ne, lama blind lawaya anamanzi ne, makushisa uwenza lamanzi ukuthi abande. So endlini kubani kuba cold, so awusayithengi fan. Makushisa uyenza lamanzi lawa abe hot, endlini kuba njani, awusathengi heat. So ngeblind eli1 uvala iprofit ezebhayi, kumele ngokufakele mahhala, plus I have merchandise also. So today ngihamba ninja bafethu, usidizo madizili ongililika that Kelvin diesel akahambi ngepetrol, uhamba ngedizili, expensive things egarage. Awuzeke kozami namanye abantu ukuthi ufikile bafethu. And bafethu lo muntu ukhulumela phansi ne, so by all means kumele lole mkhumbuze ukuthi akhulumele phezulu, khulumela phezulu. Unjani mkhozi wami?
Ngiyamnandi no.
Ngimnandi awuzami. Thanks for ukuthi ufikile ne. Ne. So before we jump into topic, abantu batshela ukuthi bani kune answer question ngifuna ukubuza yona.
Sure.
Why ubuza kangaka?
Ngicela isikazini.
Like ndoda ungangibuza ukuthi imic enjani? Na igold. Ngizaka ngilethele gold special. Wathi amalaphele. Yo. Lo muntu ungibuza into esibhaya.
Ngiyazibuzela nje.
Why?
Like ngicela ngithanda ukubuza ya.
Unjalo nje.
Ngijalo ngiyabuza.
Yabo? Okay. Sharp again. Ivoice ingakhona. Tshela abantu ekhaya mfethu. Igama lakho, isibongo, ukhulele uweva. Bobani before le label isidizo.
Ave igama offense angithe offense mona khona.
Yeah.
Then ngitshele nokuthi ngumuntu enjani, like ngibuya ba.
Yeah, like your background from primary school, mid primary, high school. This is high school.
Yeah, ngithe
okay, high school background uhlala nawo bani, like before creative brand bobani. Bowenzani, were you playing soccer? Like izinto experience like good and bad while you are growing up till you decided ukuthi thingenze brand. So we want to know you before the brand.
Vele mina ngintana kagogo ngithe. Ngikholiswa ugogo vele neGotman. Yabo? So ngiploma nayo vele. Then iskele nje primary bengintana egrade anani yabo. Then masifika kuma high school cela ukuphapha. Yabo, cela ukubona izinto so uyabamba manje nani.
Yeah.
But then before i-brand ngicale ngadlala i-disc. Nanu ngisadlala i-disc. Then ngiyabona ukuthi hayi singishaya i-brand. Then ngizokuchazela ukuthi ifike kanjani.
Yeah.
Yabo? Yeah. So njalo.
So how was you coming up, like your growing moments, yabo? Because mina ma 2000 anifani nathi. Sina bezidlalisa yabona. Sidlala ama-ali, abanye badlala amatopo ngasikhathi school. So wena nikhule kanjani bafethu, like ne youth yakho nikhule kanjani?
Ngile kanjani? Nokuthi sikhule ngamatopo nama-ali nokudlalisa umamani ubaba. Yazi. Ngitho.
Yeah.
Sikhule kanjalo vele.
So
Lezi ama-Xbox nama-PlayStation izinto zami.
Oh.
Dala siganga sidlala ngomhlabathi vele.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So are you still friends with those friends?
Hayi, lezi ngikhule nazo ngidlala ama-ali nazo.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Why?
Namajita mfethu asithathele indlela zawo. Nakhona like sihlukanise ukuthini omunye udlala idiski, omunye ushaye brand, omunye useskele. Ngitswela. So yeah.
Yeah. So as thina abantu abadala dog, what you wanna understand as a 2000. Now I see you guys are doing brands, you are doing wonders, you are trying to be somebody in life. That's trying rather than to wait for the government to provide job opportunities for you. You understand? So as a youth, which are the difficulties and wafaceayo? Because there's more endlini mfethu uyacabanga and so you-one. Noma ngalala nomuntu phambi kwakho mara mavala amehlo you-one. Which are the difficulties owafaceayo and which umphakathi or the government ungakusiza ngawo?
Like zibhayi izinto uyangitshela thina sishota ngayo futhi. Sishota ngazo.
Yeah.
Ngitswela like ngisho ukuthi bangashayela bomali. Community hall yabo. But then kule hall maybe like intwana encane like sifike so sizo showcase ama talent wabo. Ngitswela lezi bazi akhayo zenza ngitswela sikhandelwe la vele lezi zinto lezi. Ngitswela. So yeah, nathi labo bama brands thola imishini shayele la. Ngitswela because lento lokugibela isithami emadrobheni. Asikhawathi akukho safe phela la.
Yeah.
And esintwana encane vele.
Yeah.
Yabo. So ngoba ngashayela lokho nje sihlukane nezinto esibhaya lo mestrateni namapayi.
Yeah.
Yabo. Sihlale sicabe ukuthi sidala.
Yeah.
Ngitswela.
Yeah. So as a brand owner, you feel like the government is failing you in terms of providing to the youth. Abaniphi a platform where you can show your resources.
Yeah, for me ninjalo.
Injalo uthola ukuthi that's why kune crime rate ama drugs engaka because akunanto abangayenze responsible. Ne? Yeah, that's the way. So njengoba ba campaign okanje are you going to vote or do anything?
Ngeke ngivote.
And umuntu as for why ngeke uvote?
Because kuyafana siyavota but then ayikho into echangeayo.
Eish.
Ngitswela. Kunini sivota but then nano saselewe. Or nginamanga.
Awuringevala.
Ngitswela.
So do you find any necessity in school? Because khona abantu abayesikoleni bese abasebenzi, khona abantu abayesikoleni bese bayasebenza. You don't think of minding, do you find any necessity ukuthi I need to go to school for so my brain can work?
Ayisigele vele sisafuneka ngitswela. Nathi sesihlisa imali hlangana nabantu abaserasi le. Ema-Paris sikhona ukugreen English ekrem ngitswela ne-mentality ekrem ye-business. Yabo uyacaba ukuthi ngeke ngirobwe, ngeke ngenziwe next. Uyayicaba ukuthi kuhambani uyesigele.
Yeah.
Ngitswela.
So your parents are happy with what you are doing?
Afile bona ba-happy yabo.
Basupportive?
Yeah, bona bayangisapota afile ekhaya.
Yeah. Okay. So as a youngin, you all have dark moments, ne? Ukhulisa ogogo nobaba. Where are your parents?
Like ngikhuliswa ugogo neGotman.
Yeah, ugogo noGotman parent. So where are your parents?
Already khona ne, but then angihlali nalo most of the time. Yabo. Then itime lapho ora ngisasentana encane.
Okay, RIP timer, yeah.
Akunaflo 2013.
Yeah.
So then ngaploma ne time noma ne already time mina neGotman lab.
Yeah.
Yabo. So yeah.
So that's how it goes. So everybody has like the best moments in life and the darkest moments in life. Which are the darkest moments in life? You felt like giving up. You felt like life is not by your side. You felt like everything is falling apart.
Ila ukuthi shit my yobona umntwana imjita ne. Like yobona ukuthi like sometimes nokudinga time.
Yeah.
Like umdingi like sirasibona ukuthi no I
Dingy time.
ngidinga time nana yabo mina for mina ileyo nje otherwise akunani sengifisayo isibhalo yabo sometimes ne-brand nokuthi donse ngediesel kancane
Yeah.
but then ileyo viki nje and then next week we-right sikhohlile
Yeah.
yabo so yeah
Yeah. So your happiest moment in life before the brand.
with the brand
Your happiest moment. Moment maybe made like izobe iqala ukwezwa. Let's talk about your happy moments and your funny moments
yeah before the brand
before the brand.
ngizibhanga lezinye mina akumelanga basicala ngifuna basicala
Khuluma. Here we are having a conversation that people need to know you. You understand? Some people want to sponsor you, but because they don't know you. So you venturing out, basically it's you telling them ukuthi mina ngumuntu kanje, so they can associate themselves with you.
andinabo
Yeah, kambe.
akakubeke umnandi nje grand sihlala nothing much no kana la impilo iba grand khona iba mnandi no i-brand sekhona yabo at least nawe yakhona ungene e-shopping uphume nephathi guy already something yabo
Yes.
uhappy grand
Yeah, lula living.
yeah
Ne. So do you see future in fashion in South Africa?
yeah ngiyayibona yabonakala because yabona namadezi manje sabadlala nabo Taliwon
Yeah.
yabo nama watwati nama inga brand Galaxy Boy sinobuya kada yo host ama fashion show kada ngithi
Yeah.
so nathi iyakhoneka la eSouth Africa shopping
Ngiyenzela.
yeah
Ne. So as a person who's at Limpopo, a person who's at Durban, a person who's at Cape Town, can you tell them ukuthi kunjani kuba umntana waseSoweto, umntana okhulele eSoweto, the things that you face in Soweto on a daily basis?
like ngibatshele ukuthi like kunjani Soweto
Yeah, yini Soweto, kwenzakalani Soweto?
hayi Soweto igazi linye limnandi ngiyakho igazi lelitshela abantariyane bazokunceda kanje
Mamela.
yangizwela
Yeah.
manje angiboni ukuthi maybe eDurban maybe bakhona abantariyane ne
Yeah.
but then angeke ibuye kufana nala Soweto
Isoweto sekugcineni nasekuqaleni.
ngasithi negebengeni
Awusuka lapha eSoweto, eGhetto. Yeah, president.
so yeah
So abantu beze Soweto, kumele beze Soweto bazo-enjoy i-lifestyle yaseSoweto. Ne.
yeah
Yeah, so Bafethu, as I was saying, Bafethu, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below with this Soweto Security, and make sure you follow the Aura Enterprise. That's my construction company. Ngizaphinda futhi we install ama-blinds, we sell ama-blinds, we do interior designing, siyafaka ama-tiles, siyafaka ama-wardrobe, siyafaka amakhabethe, siyazilungisa iy'mpompi, siyawalungisa ama-pipe, siyawafaka ama-ceiling, konke nje ukuthi construction khona. Please support the young boy so into yami izoya phambili, yabona, siyifakele emandleni. Ne. So when did you decide to start a brand and why you started the brand?
yeah fere i-brand ke yaqala 2022 yabo qale 2022 igama Grand igama liqale 2022 whereby I've been inspired by time so angithi isizwe i-desert
Yeah.
so fere time umuntu wamadezi bekumuntu wamadezi ngenkathi sakhe
Okay.
so then bamname Stizo egazi
Oh.
then mina ngingacavi ukuthi vele like idizi khona ngicava no
Yeah, nami ngathi diesel 501. Ngize ngithi 501 diesel, yeah.
then ngiyayithatha la ngadini ithi ngishaya istizo vile
Yeah.
yabo then igama Grand laqala 2020 i-brand keep i-brand laqala 2023 yabona whereby ngidesignile ngaposta and then ini out yami kanje Tsikho yabo out yami yabhayika iphezithu yabo then Feli wagcoka waposta then after kwenzakalani then kwahlala like kuma 2 months like ungashuki nix ngizwe then ngayi dropping and bengisabu ke dropping yazo inkathi
Ukwala.
ngikwala Hotman uyo umuntu ocaba isipilara
Yeah.
Then ngangithatha la ngifaka esitradeni. Then ngabuya ngabha amask ikipa namahuli namaphaneli. Ngawaprinta la ngafika ngaposta zaploma maybe 3 weeks. Then bangena ukokota nje. Kanjalo.
Yeah.
Kwayiwa phambili.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So lesitayela sesport lesi esimingisaid size nga or sibone somewhere and nisibiza nini igama laso
Angazi mina yini.
asinagama leso sport
zinemagama amabhaya.
basibizana
Like slouchy. Mina the way mina ngicabanga ngakhona itapiza. Itapiza.
Oh, itapiza.
Yeah, the way mina ngicabanga ngakhona.
Okay.
So slouchy nani futhi ke ngapha. Yeah.
Yini sushi?
Angazi.
Sloshi tea. Or sloshi bean.
Yeah. So ene mangaqoqela ukudirect iphuma va.
Ngicocela ukuthi iphuma va. Khuluma nami umama. Khuluma nami umama. Khuluma nami. Ah.
Vele isizwe ne yokuqala creator le bindle. Nice. Lesokuqala. And then ama-brand amabhaya anyeke ayivume la idea. But then outshaming ayivuma enye brand yangakayi. Freak.
Oh shit.
Ngizwa uya ngayicawa icover grand story salo. Ngizwa and nami bengana idea. Kunenye out engithungela ngitha bathi uFP.
Yeah.
Yabo? FP then FP bengifuna ibhini. Bengifuna ngithungela ibhini. Then angitshela ukuthi hayi ntwana. Tla create something. Yabo sizama design something feel. Yabo then wayenza isigqoko feel. Like wayenza isigqoko ne. But then as akazivalanga. Then ngamtshela ukuthi time fit as any material should mayisohlala kahle. Kube style.
Yeah.
Wayenza kanjalo. Then ngaduma ke.
Senidumile and wonke abhalisithi mina bengicabanga ukuthi like it's a brand esomeone esemoleni benga-expect ukuthi i-brand ukuthi intwana yasekasi the way idobhu ngakhona hayi ukuthi ngithi ngiyakubhila or ngiyakudiscourage like the way idobhu ngakhona bengingacabanga ukuthi kunomuntu wasekasi ongayenza into efana naleya.
Hayi unfortunately intwana yasekasi fake.
So you came up with this.
Yeah.
Then people starting riding the wave.
Sure.
Hey, so put us more in the world of designing. You studying the beginning, you now, what happened? You woke up and said, I'm going to start this stage. Okay, start this stage will take a minute time. Ovelo wavuka time you call brand this stage.
Namazi angazi ukuthi into efike kanjani but then into engifithe ngathi maybe like izoshintsha impilo zabantu. Ngizwa because neslogan sakhona sibhaliwe made to inspire.
Yeah.
Ngizwa which whereby i-change vele impilo zabantu ngo-create amabhini nale hoodie vele. Because ngiyabona nama-brand amabhano sewashaye overlock. Ngizwa so kuvuka kwami ukubona ukuthi izochange impilo zabantu.
Overlock le?
Yeah, overlock.
Yes, me designer name. And she was like to me with endot ngifuna ukucreate i-style mara ngifuna ukuyenzela ama-overlock. Manje mina bengingamnaki ngemiyeka. Shit ngiluze opportunity hiyo le. Ngizakubonisa ngiphethe i-2 piece. Shoot overlock e-2 piece.
Yeah.
Yeah, chubeka nkosi.
So kushintsha impilo zabantu. Na but then bengayicabanga lezi zinto lezi ngisaseyintwana la. Bengingacabanga khona ngisicabanga lezi zinto zonke.
Yeah.
Yabo because back then bengiyenze nje because of i-pressure. Inspire i-trip style ne-history feel.
Yeah.
Yabo so but no ngiyacaba ukuthi kanje nakanje.
Yeah.
Yabo
Manje ufila ngathi okay, you guys are on the same level and you guys can collab sometimes and make something together. Ne. It's ingaba nice like uwe uteko, you come up with something man, something nice. You mix your brains because you're a smart kid.
Yeah.
And niza something dope. Siyeza la ukasirivukile sayisukumisa. Man. So let's dive into the music culture. before ngizokubuza ngabantu laba bakuhlupha ngama-payment wakho, abanye bathatha impahla bangazibhadali, yabona, kumele ubuze maybe kunama-artist okwa-approach. You saw what's recently trending ngoJim Mashego?
Yeah, ngibonile vele.
Manje umbonile sakabuyile egameni?
Ngimbonile, nibuye ngamandla.
Yes. Ucabangani nge-career yakhe? Mina okay, by my side ngifila ngathi December yakhe. Mina ngifila ngathi December ilikompo mina.
Ilikompo.
Yeah.
Yeah, ilikompo fili ifikile nayo yabo. But then kunezinje kuyini?
Abo banza.
Mi abubamotha kanje. Ubonile album lebashayile no.
Ngilibonile mara angeke libe ne-impact njenge-impact uJim Mashego nayo. Okay, asithi ubaba umotha mdala ne. Silibonile album lentsembu. Mara ingoma ezakaJim Mashego. Okay, asithi ungena ubaba umotha uyadlala ne. U-DJ ama-DJ wakhe kuperform abantu bakhe. Bese uyangena uJim Mashego. Athi Piri Maru.
But then uJim Mashego ne ushange hiteliwa.
Na ukhona nokwele ngoma ka-Focalistic, unale ngoma le umphethe.
Oh le.
Le ntoni ingoma zale ntona zonke ama-hit.
But then mina ngimboni lo December.
Asiphethe.
Asingayiphethe.
Bafethu nibonile two clip nge-31 zaka-December. Mina ngithatha uJim Mashego because nale publicity stunt, akuse publicity stunt lento yenzakalele. Sorry, disclaimer on that. Allegedly and disclaimer. Akuse publicity stunt. Lento emenzakalele beyibhlungu. Khona abantu bebangamazi mara bagcina emabazi. Kunenye video ngimbona performa. Yes.
Yesha performance.
Le ntwana intswemu ukubhala, le ntwana intswemu ngokuperforma, le ntwana intswemu ngokuyenza controversy. Le ntwana yenza ama-hit kuphela.
Hayi maybe mina ngilandelele.
Ngizama ukuyilandelela. Maybe ubaba umotha singambamba noKelvin Moon.
But then yeah, bengenza example ngobaba umotha.
Yeah. Because okay, let's talk about performance. Le outisha umlando. Angingameli uJim Mashego manje.
Yeah, angingameli.
Uyangistana. Angingameli uJim Mashego manje.
Yeah, because into abashaya like asifani. Yabona uyangistana like ushaya like uyakhuluma. Like lo uyajayivisa. You understand?
Yeah.
So angeke sibabeke
entweni wa.
Yeah.
But then that means because December siyajiva. I-December yakaJim Mashego.
But then masudakiwe ukhiphe sesifubeni uyolandela abantu.
Awuyangistanda somamela Monday la kungaphupha umuntu. Emfethu yazi nabantu ababhekile bangizothi owner badlala barenge yazi bayazi bese azele cash content. You understand? Mara, what do you think about the compo and piano?
Yeah, for now. Ili compo. Mara piano ezobuya.
Kune tester. Angibona ipiano ibuya. Une question?
Yeah, my question.
Ithi
uJim Mashego ipiano la yenza okanye because I don't think iko.
Yeah. Ngathi Bakali.
Yeah, like wenza iBakali.
Wenza iBakali.
Uthembi nje. Nami mina ngizothatha uDecember.
Okay, siyavota. Mina noQueen Zuri sithi uJim Mashego nilikombo bazo-own uDecember ne. My sister?
Yeah.
Wena ring le compo.
No, let's click on, but not saying
Okay, Jim Mashego.
Jim Mashego uyothatha
Ore kema ngotlanga December. Usayida nomuntu wakhe. Okay, ethatho wena mawubhekile ubani uzathatha iDecember. Le ntwana le Piri Maru ngithi yazi nokabza the small. Okay, 3
so far ne because no message be like mina ngiyasengiyamfollow uJim Mashego ngingamnaki because ngimntana ngibona ngimntana orasayo like lapha ku-TikTok ngikhuluma kakhulu.
Yeah, ukhuluma kakhulu.
Ngizomazi ngoBerry Maroon ne.
Yeah.
Naku Berry Maroon bekufile ngathi akhonto ayenzileyo.
Yeah.
Mari ithema ke after lento yakhe yase Nigeria makusekwenzeka kwakana kukula
Phuma ingoma ezibhaya.
ingoma ezibhaya like eziningi esingazaziyo ngathi ha ke lo mntana uThembu sovele
Yeah,
uThembu la
so bafethu mina bengicela
akatholanga
yazwa nganake
mara manje sekuyanakeka because of like that
Yeah.
that's why uzothi wena ufile ngathi sistand okanye ini but
akusistand
maybe ke akusistand mara kodwa lathi lesinejele
expose talent layo
ngoba bengamnakanga sebeyamazi.
Okay, siyabonga Asomhle Zuri. Ushilo ukuthi Jima Shekho, my sister konjo bani kama lakho. Uthatho uthe Kabza, uthatho uthe Jima Shekho naye. Nami ngathi Jima Shekho so ni twindle wave. So uKabza bafethu untswemba ngale ne. Mara uKabza umuntu kumele umamele mo drive maybe moye boma Pitori. Yangithola. Baba. Okay wo. Kuma piano wonke amapiano sizobuya ku brand manje sisixoxela sizonke ne angithi kube mnandi wonke kuma piano akekho ongameli ushebeshile nonke kuma piano angeke nimeli ushebeshile
wayishokani
ushebeshile une influence kubandlula bonke ushebeshile ama celebrity amapiano athatha ithombe naye.
Yes.
Okay, ngimenshele i-artist elwane elingasha uShebeshile. Asithi uShebeshile uze-17 yakho. Kungeza abantu abayengakhi.
File kuzoqala ngizona. Kuzoqala file. Banyakubuza ukuthi yebo.
Yabona. So ikhona i-artist olazi wena la elikupiano engavasha. No guys, ayikuthi siyalwisa, siyabuza. Likhona i-artist elazi kuma piano engavasha uShebeshile na.
Hayi, alikho baby.
Asomhle. Likhona i-artist elikuma piano elingahlula uShebeshile.
So far uShebeshile yazini udemenza ukuthi abe une-influence.
Yeah, sifuna ukwazi answer ukhona ongamhlula nawo.
Akekho ongamhlula.
My sister Thato ukhona ongahlula uShebeshile. Thank you. Thato ukhona ongahlula uShebeshile. So kusho ukuthi uShebeshile should let it. Yeah, yibona. Should let December ibile ngweLimpopo. Rakompolaza rabakompolaza but then shout out to the piano culture. Shout out to everybody studied piano and is doing great. So too short Arabialo. Ari December kya Shebeshile. We have any technical problems? Yenza. Okay. Too short Arabialo bafethu. Ari December ipilonga ko Shebeshile. So don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uthi Soweto Siketo. We are currently at Katlahomula Network bafethu kaSilvukile. Don't forget bafethu to support my construction company, Le Ora Enterprise, where we do home decor bafethu, where we do everything. Siya renovator, siya playstera, siya penda, sifaka wena ayikho into esingayenzi, but then ngizofaka yonke into esenza down below. So we back to the fashion lifestyle. So we all agree the Sowetan. We give December to Limpopo. It's final. Kabanga about to Shebeshile uya extreme. Okay, bafethu, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uthi Soweto Siketo. We are currently at full power bafethu. I keep on saying we sell proper quarters bafethu. We sell umkhodu, we sell ama-trotters. Sithengisa ama-trotters amancina uyisilungu. Sithengisa steak, sithengisa ivorsi, sithengisa yonke into. That's why sibiza food bar yabona. So my nigga, we are coming to the wrap up. So we wanna know more about this diesel. Ufuna ukubona this diesel sekuphi the future, and tell us more. Yabon, if you're gonna host events, if you're gonna do something, like tell us more about Istizo, what to expect from Istizo.
Ngimtelela ukuthi kanjithini
What more must we expect from Istizo? Let's start there. In terms of eventing, maybe doing new merchandise, maybe collaborating with other people, maybe trying to get sponsorships and our told. What more must we expect from Istizo?
Avele for now expect the collab. Ngizwa collab ne rapper Karim.
Oh shit.
Ngiyacela rapper Karim.
Ngephethe.
Yeah. Expect that then asikaka ikhuluma igrand.
Sasemoyeni.
Yeah, isasemoyeni but then ngisho izenzakala.
Shalom.
Yabo, and then indaba event besiplanile this December. Sipazisekile. Yabo, because bengiplanene with Statfield. But then ngisho endleleni na no bashaya no satisle ngifo. So but then ayinara. Not December ngahlangana. With December.
Yeah.
Yangizwa. Isikhathi sasekhona.
Yeah. So what more can you tell us? Because I've been asking. Now it's time for you to vent. To tell me things that I don't know. Because some things are not on the internet. Yeah. Koloma, like what more? Like vent out. Talk to me.
Like khodi. Angazi ngizotela kuvaka ngizwa.
Anyway.
Like ngikhulumele like ma. Ngimtshele.
Angithi shilo okay, senzoshaya event. You understand? Mnandi wakhulumile ama difficulties enwafaceayo. Ne. Nithi ngalabantu laba kunabantu abakhalayo bathi nibayenzela izinto bese nideliver late. Yini into yenza ukuthi izinto ezideliver late mara babhadale early?
Yeah, futhi dala ngifuna singene la ngizwa.
Yeah.
Yabona la like HIV ba like
Nasi Istizo nasi.
ne?
Nasi Istizo. Nasi.
Ngizwa HIV ba kuthini maybe like stock like maybe material. Yabo awukho kuthuna inches. And then last time stock akhona like ukuvaliwe overriding ayikho basitshela ukuthi izoba khona after 2 weeks. Yabo. And anyeke ubhayilo material lo uyibulk. Yabo. Because yadura bese iyahlala la. Awucabi ukuthi uzenzakalani nawo. Ngizwa so ile nje into esenza ukuthi isidelay ila stock akhona. Yabo sometimes kunokuvala, sometimes into efunayo uthola. Fanele kuyele futhi kusasa. Kusasa ufike late kuvaliwe.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Ile phela nje into esipesa.
So have you ever had any argument with anyone like afuna ukulwisa or threat yena aduzonya ngifuna imali yami what yenza ukuposta ku social media we scam?
Nah, le akafiki.
Akafiki. So how do you ease the people? Because people don't play with money. Understand this ukuthi amfitha akafiki izofika.
Ale kukumtshela ivara. Ngizwa umtshele ukuthi intwana woza ngelanga kanje. Ngizwa maybe now delay ile kakhulu na at least umbambise isicoko. Bamoya. Just to say sorry me.
Ne.
Yabo.
Yeah. So with your own understanding, what do you think is killing the Kasi culture of branding? Why inga expand? Why kungabe nama market what where you show your things? Why ningekho united? Like why ningahlangani most of you guys?
Like ama brand owners.
Yeah.
I like it everything siyafifelana la.
In terms of what?
Like maybe like come on. Like kule game le man maybe like now like show shy brand shy intena masiva or maybe kopa mina then if isuka la. So that's why like amachita amabhala singahlangani but then siyacabana nama number wami sisibona status. So yeah.
Yeah. So what makes you unique from the rest?
Like kanjani?
What makes you stand out from the rest? What makes people buy Istizo from the rest of other brands? What makes you unique?
Le angicavi. Yabo, but then maybe ukuthi like umuntu uyasithoba bringana ku brand ubakha stuff as grand. Yabo. Ziletha ngesikhathi izinto zabo. Yeah, maybe angazi. Or maybe kuna something bayithandile maybe.
Yeah. Yeah. So what can you say to a kid who wants to start a brand right now? But akazi ukuthi aqale kanjani? word of advice ongamtshela wena manje.
Angimtshela ukuthi
Word of advice, you've did it. You started without having a brand, now you have a brand. So you need to advise the youngins.
like ngaphela umoya asiposta la sofika isikhathi ngalahla ithemba ngithatha design post sofika sokusupport
Yeah.
yabo
Yeah.
ngamtshela lo
Cause I've been asking. My question was keeping. What other things you can tell me that I don't know about you, or anyone does not know about?
like ngami or ngesizo
Ngawe nangesizo.
I mean that's what mina ngumuntu okuthini like anginazinto like anginazinto ngitshela like ngiyimi nje ngibona ngakhona anginasifihlo angina-next yabo umuntu onjalo.
So have you tried approaching ama-artist ubagcokise?
Ama-artist avele like ngithola like nolimeke kanje yabo
Yeah.
limeke nge-event yakhe leya nge-December bekafikile la kwami ngithola azogala then ngamlanda ulimeke because lapho ekadakiwe angazi ukuthi akangizwanga ngokuhambana ngithola then ngamtshela thina ngikayinamba feli lokho langakana ngishange phone shangiphinde after matrix yabo so ngamyeka ulimeke then ngihlangana nobani ngatext uShoes Master.
Yeah.
Shoes Master ngam-DM afike wangiphendula saringa ngaye rapper Karim ngamnika into yakhe yabo then no last eFidas kunye umunye ugel kanje ngithatha offense like a president that I scared yabo so bheka host event la yabo so maka host event kanjalo ubiza amajita afele yabiza amajita then mina vele lapho ngafuna nokuyesikela but then ngifuna ukuyomaketa bona la chance.
Yeah.
Ngithola ukuthi mabaqeda ukuperforma ngena ku
Isikhathi eside.
yabo so limeke ngikhulume naye angitshele ukuthi ngize la kwakhe ingantana yakhe then shop then ngarenga noJayden Lani ke noJayden Lani futhi kwaba into yona nayizolo futhi benguye ngibhayisela something yabo
Yeah. Buvese uJayden Lani.
yeah
Ezamzisa nini?
izaba akakhuleka ezakuzofika fantastic like ngisayazi sofika fantastic
And bafethu nazi ukuthi ngipresident la eSoweto.
asicha
Buza mina ngastrikeisa wonke umuntu mina. Kusaza ngifuna amaphoyisa strike sizolutha. Mara cabanga bathi amaphoyisa strike.
izo
Kungayenzakalani?
asicha ukuzobonakala khona
Ungaluthwa so before say rap show mfethu I expect nothing the best from you yabo. I don't know if I have other things I have to ask you maybe engazazi enlighten it or like help me out on some things. Khona izinto engazibuzanga ezinye.
sicedile indaba ze-brand
Sicedile indaba ze-brand. Eventing isicedile. Why you guys don't collaborate isikhulumile. Kunama-artist obvious akushayela iy'thupha ngathi izavota isikhathi sama-election vele. So this one but then ma-artist wasemalokishini umusic wenza streamer siyawudownloada mara uhluleka ukuthenga ibhini amanani be-fair nani abekho fair. Question?
Angazi kusoyibuzile nale question leyo. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi mina i-brand yakho siyithola kuphi. Mase umuntu wakude angithi awuthini simanje Soweto kuphela.
Yeah.
Iyaphumela nangaphandle right. So sithola kanjani masifuna i-brand yakho? Like ufuna lo sigqokisi or ube
Hayi isigcoko sesakhe ufuna ihu nokoloyi nazo.
So like maybe say abantu bangaphandle abangekho from la
bazithola kanjani like asithi umuntu wase Cape Town uyithola kanjani ibrand yakho?
For now ngi-DM Instagram ngithola because asikakabi ne-website.
befuna ukwazi ama-social media
Le besishaya amazivala. Yeah.
Ngithola
Yeah.
ngilana ku-IG then siyakhulumisana then ngizoyenza iplan ngiyiletha kanjani la eKZN yabo.
Shame kabi wena. So Doga, as you have a brand, since you're a rap, you have a brand in a maid.
Yeah, nginayo email.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, bimeli ya.
Ya umntana kanje.
Ubani lo mntana?
Omunye umntana sephiphile.
Ubani igama lakhe?
Igama lakhe Kwanela file.
Kanti lo ze naye.
Lo impintshwa yami.
Oh, friends with benefits.
Yeah, le Brian.
You. Azwile. Friends with benefits. Yeah. So yeah, so we gonna expect event from Mr. to make sure we support on another show. Hopefully, Zobeng request Tizo because I'm the president of Soweto. You guys know Soweto Kafela Yamuteba and ever to please. Labantu baza ngama-plug card banganisayinisa. The only person esombotela yile party le ezoyenza istrata isilungise singayicelanga yakhinya riding ne but we gonna do this bese bayenza. So mina umuntu engizombotela yazi umuntu onjani umuntu ozoza ngemic bese athi ngakuthenga namanye ama-mic. Hayi umuntu ozothi angizokuthengela imic uzongi nogogo amushona usho kanjani. Hayi so this year's vote intwana yami ne so sizwa expect ama short from when
Like in?
short pants
Yeah, isama.
vest
Vest akhona ama-vest.
socks
Akhona.
long sleeves
Hayi long sleeve ayitholakala. Ngicabanga bayithola kabi tripstep. Mawuzofuna ngiphande grade.
ngizokubuzela ufafast
Ngafika.
ne
Yeah.
or ngikubuzela udon cause le i-material culture yakadondala
Ngiyayibona.
ngathi esejele ne lento le ngeke ngifike nasemall ngingamiswanga yabo. So let's do the shout outs. Abantu bakuthola abanye bakuthola kanjani?
Ngilanda kwi-IG feed. Sizwa Apparel Clothing. Very selling DM lapho. Uzokuthola lapho.
Ne. So they'll get everything that they want.
Futhi special ngisiyaphela ngi-12.
Special.
Yeah.
So special sakho senjani? Yini imali?
Like ngishaye ngivalisa izinto ezi-3 especially.
Yini nani.
Ileso sigcoko, ile hoodie, neskipa.
Isitoko imali manje.
Iklipa no.
Beka imali
180.
iklipa no. Ihudi
Hoodie 400 no.
imali.
Maybe 650.
So 400. Nani enye siseli
Skipa.
imali.
Skipa no, it's 100. But then kunana lesi 300, kunana lesi 250.
Okay.
So choosela ukufuna
Ufuna yibi ne? Ne. So ntanami overpassed yabo.
ngiyabona.
Njengoba uzelana ikhathi kuvukile uyazi intariyana mabathi intariyana bakhuluma ukukhothana intariyana iHotman lasekhasi libona ipotential entwaneni then ufaka isandla ukuthi intwana ze-uplifteke. Yabona ngithathe energy yami ngayifaka kuwe ukuthi ngifuna ukubona isidizwe esiphezulu and ungathi masofika eParis ungikhohle
Nganye kuphela.
yalazi ibhande
Ngiyaqala.
ntwana yami
Yabona.
ube grandest ushajibani
Sikhuluma le.
uzosiqeda isikole
Angisicela.
ushaba ama-subject
Yini?
ushaba ama-subject
Comments.
commerce uzosiqeda isikole
Manje.
manje jela kwa yithini njengoba une-brand akafile in Tokyo
Ayangika.
anikaze nalo le ndaba ye-brand anikaze nalo le ndaba ye-brand
Siyayibela vele yabo.
nilola ukuthi kenzeni
Ngidlele ngisestradeni akimnaki. Yabo.
mara iva mnaki makafuna imali ethama tizoyithola
Tuzoyithola. Yabo.
yeah
And angithembi ukuthi maybe like ngihamba ngibamba.
wena uyazithemba wena
Yini?
wena uyazithemba
Ngingasithemba.
amantombazaneni iyashesha
Angisho.
uthi uyazithemba
Kuye.
oh okay ntanami it is nice having a conversation with you yabona. So I'm expecting you around Pondo yabo. So we can like recap follow ukuthi bekulola kwenzakalani yabo. So if you feel like kunama question engawabuzanga then mafike ekhaya uyabakhumbula you can do another episode
Ayazi.
Ngingazi ke for this episode, I think I've covered enough information.
Yeah.
I've even added more. Ne? So friends with benefits. Siyabonga ukuthi izinto uzosupporta ne. Na. Ikota imntana.
Yabo.
The story simnandi ngakhona.
Makayina flow.
Uzokushayela kumele uvaye naye. Uyokushayela no.
So la ina ngizobuya next bangizoletha igcobo. Bangizoletha ishandisha jamboys. Uhamba isikhathi bani?
Ngo-8.
Ngizoyehla futhi.
Okay, King. Athi uzo